welcome back to my channel and welcome to one of the best videos of the year. Today I'll be sharing the 2023-2024 Life Planner collection launch. So I have a PR package here from Erin Condren. I'd love to thank the team Tori and Sam at Erin Condren for sending this. I love and look forward to doing this every year. I am so excited for the launch. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've been trying to share all the updates that they share because it's just absolutely beautiful. So Life Planner launch will be on April 24th. That is the EC Insider launch day. And then the 25th is the general public Life Planner launch. I will have a follow-up video on the 24th because of course I will go to EC Austin on Life Planner launch day, as I've done every year since they opened, because I live like 20 minutes down the road, and I'll buy what I want to purchase, and I'll go over that in a bit because it's gonna be based off of what's not in this box, and I'll have that video up that day. So I'll go right when they open in the morning. Hope to see people there, but also the minute I get home I film and edit and upload that video, so that'll be up that afternoon. Also we'll have Life Planner launch content that week, because if you saw my most recent plan with me, I'm actually going to California for Life Planner launch week, so I will go to the Irvine store too. Check it out. I'm vlogging. We'll have all that. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the fun items. This video will be focused on 2 of the planners that are releasing, and then I'll have a separate video of all of the accessories that are in this box. I just think it makes it a lot easier for people to follow along, and that way it's not a crazy long video. So yeah, you'll get a sneak peek of what was sent as we open this. For the Daily Duo, you will get an A5 size. You can choose between Inspire or Wildflowers. You cannot get an A5 Daily Duo in the canvas or neutral color. The feedback that we get from the Erin Condren team is if you want an A5 canvas Daily Duo, go like spam their Instagram accounts and their emails saying like what you were looking for, what you would want to see. They take all that feedback, they screenshot it. Like even Tanya, the CEO, she mentioned that in a town hall. So that way they know what to make. But A5 Daily Duo will only be available in Inspire and Wildflowers. And then the 7x9, you can get Inspire, Wildflowers, and you can get a canvas in the 7x9 option. So canvas is only available in the 7x9 Daily Duo. If you order the Inspire cover for the Daily Duo, the first planner will have the metallic, the other will not. So just subtle differences there. And let me see how much of these retail for. These will start at $76.50, and of course that's before customizing your coil or anything like that. So as y'all know, it's typically an additional $10 charge to do it. There is a new metallic, rainbow metallic cover that looks pretty good with this design. Y'all know I'm too neutral for that, but that I believe is the same charge as if you want like gold. There is like a colorful metal, which looks really cute for you colorful people out there, because you know I'm not a colorful person technically, but again, just loving this design. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. And take a look. These are the new dashboard designs, which I absolutely love. If you saw my academic planner launch review, I think these are incredible. You have the vellum, which is always so beautiful with that intricate design. And then you go into your like about page, or this is my Life Planner page. The Daily Duos are a little bit different. So you have your 6 boxes here, since it's a 6-month planner, and that's why you get 2 for that full year. And then you have 6 months and then a note sheet instead of a full calendar year to review. And then you have a full year on this side. And then you have your quote pages. So you'll have this design on all of your pages. Tab is on the monthly calendar. You guys, I'm just obsessed with these like watercolor. Like, I just think this is so pretty. And I am going to be using this planner for work because I absolutely love it. It adds just, you know, a little bit of color, which I'm okay with. I think for me, I just have to love the design and the color scheme. And so I'm in love with this. But here is the monthly pages. No changes from what I see. And then we have the monthly overview. So you have your note page over here, you have some dot grid, you have the design on this side, as well as your 4 check boxes and another line, and then ungraphed. So this is again a similar layout. You just have your I wanted to say paint petals, inspired design. And then here is your layout. So you have 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. with a blank spot. I don't believe this has changed. You still have that monthly in here, which no one absolutely likes. So many affiliates in like the town halls always say, please remove the monthly, but there are people who actually like it. But again, this is something that if you don't like it, just make sure to send like emails and comments saying that you want the box removed, or when you get the surveys that come out from Erin Condren, so you just don't want the monthlies if that's something that irritates you. I just don't like them up here. If you want them, fine. I wish they moved this down here. I saw someone in the town hall mention, why don't y'all just like include monthly stickers so that way people have the option, but not everybody has to have it. I like that idea too. I just don't want it in, like, I don't want it up here because this spot's so awkward to me for a daily planner, you know, like I don't know. Not a fan of it. I did like it the year when this was down here. I think it made more sense. It's easier to cover up, right? And yeah, I'm just not a fan of it here. But again, love it. The layout, very simple, very to the point. You have a note page behind each week. So each week you can have your own little notes. They started that, I believe, last year. And so that way it was a lot easier to structure the planner. And yeah, let's go ahead and just look at all these inspired designs because that is how those look. So here is August. Again, just beautiful color scheme. I'm not a fan of this page, to be completely honest. I love the monthly, but I don't like the faint part. I wish they kind of would have like committed to it. I know a lot of people don't like that. But coming from a person who's like fully neutral, I think, oh, I love this one. You know, I think it makes sense. I think it would have looked a lot nicer because like this is so pretty. But I don't know if I would use this anymore because I just don't like, I don't know, I don't like how faint it is. I would have liked it to be a little bit more vibrant like the pages. I love this. This is so gorgeous. So here's October. And then, oh, November's so pretty. I love this color scheme, you guys. I can't, like, the design, I'm just obsessed with it. I'm going to continue to say that probably throughout this entire video, so I apologize. So we have December, oh wait, monthly page. And then here is that. And let's go to the back. So you have one notes page, and then like observances on the notes, your back page, and you even have the Eddie collab here. And then you have these gorgeous matching stickers. These are so pretty. Let me show you these. These are absolutely beautiful. So you have these. Ugh. All of these. And you have those two, and then you have your pocket in the back. The pocket's actually really pretty, and I really like that. And so you can just stick things in here. Again, I'm probably using this for work. I think that's what I decided that I'm going to do. So that is the first daily duo. That one, again, was the academic year. So it starts in July and goes to December. And then you have your January through June. Oh, this one's a little damaged. Oh, well. So same thing in the second, and just those beautiful pages. Here is January. This one I just want to show y'all like what the interior looks like. January, faint, and then of course the color. February, and then next up will be the horizontal canvas. And as I'm flipping, this one's really pretty. I know I am going to be purchasing the Erin Condren, of course it's Erin Condren, the Canvas Hourly. I haven't decided yet if I want it in Inspire, Coiled, or Agenda, and then put it in my new Louis Vuitton Agenda. I'm still debating on what I want to do with that. I think the Erin Condren agendas are really nice. I just think they're too bulky. I wish they were a little bit more compact. It's just that extra flap and all that space is great if you're traveling, but I don't like how big they are. Otherwise, I would use the agenda. Who knows, I even might, we'll see. But I like their binder system when they had it because I just felt like it was more compact. I don't know. I prefer smaller-ish agendas because A5 is already pretty big. But yeah, I'm thinking about just getting the inserts and putting it in my agenda. I haven't fully decided yet, but I know for sure I'll be getting an hourly and whatever else I find at the store at the time. So yeah, we have that. So that is a daily duo in the Inspire. And now we have and be on the lookout because of course I always move in early because I can't resist, and I'm definitely moving in early to that planner. So be on the lookout for that video. Of course I always record it as well. But now we have the canvas. This is, I believe, an 18-month horizontal. The life planners always start at $65. Of course, upgraded coil, etc. There's additional. If you do 18 months, it'll be more. I believe this is 18 months, so it would be a little bit more. But here's the interior. And again, this is the neutral design. That's why I had to get it and check it out. So we have the horizontal. And I love this. So it's so minimal. You have like a faint little asterisk design in the back. You have some quotes. And then you go into your months. I think they added the asterisk in between these. 4 7x9 this year for coiled. So you get the Inspire Wildflowers or Canvas design. Again, this is Canvas. You have your interchangeable covers, including your multicolor option. And then the A5 coiled planners. You can get an Inspire or Wildflower. It's not just the Daily Duo, it's all A5 planners. The A5, I believe, is only horizontal. Oh, no, I'm sorry, compact vertical. You have a compact vertical or you have the Daily Duo. I do think there's a horizontal though, I can't remember. I'll have to take a look. But again, only Inspire or Wildflowers on those. So the canvas option is only available in 7x9. So you'll see this in your hourly or your vertical, whatever you choose. Here are your 12 boxes. And then you have your note page and then your monthly page, again with those little asterisks. And here's your monthly view. I love this. I think it's so pretty. I love the typography on this one. And then there's a little asterisk over here for notes, which is cute, keeping in with the asterisk theme. I like the font that they use because I think that's also new. And then your overview. So you have your notes, doc grid again, same thing. So lined, bullet, blank, but of course you get a full blank. This is almost clearly neutral, except there are some faint asterisks up top. So that is something to keep in mind. But for the most part, like you can barely see those. Like I don't even know if they're picking up on camera, but you have all that. And then here is your weeks. So you get the same typography. You have like an italicized month. And then horizontal doesn't look like it's changed. You have your month down here. And then lines, faint holidays, if there's holidays. But yeah, this is purely blank, purely neutral. You have those gray tabs. And this is what you love to see in an all neutral planner. I love the consistency. I couldn't get into the type font one last year with all the different fonts because I didn't like all the fonts and that just drove me crazy. But I just love the consistency and the neutralness of this one. It's just really pretty. So yeah, we have all these. And let's see what type of stickers we get with this one. So again, here are the canvas stickers. So they're definitely a little bit more neutral. I love that they have like primarily like cream ones. But you do get like a different color scheme in here that is a little bit darker than last year's, I want to say. And then I do love this color. Here are this week's, today's, canceled, habit trackers, birthday page. Looks like 2, and then you have your little, I don't know what they call these, little checkers, and you can order more of these, but in the same color scheme. Then of course you have your freebies, your perpetual planner, and your pocket looks like it's purple. So here's the perpetual calendar. And you can do this. I think it's nice to like track birthdays and additional things in here if you want to like pre-plan and use this. It's so compact. It's nice to like take in and out. So yeah, we have that, and then that is the canvas 7x9 horizontal and the A5 daily duo in Inspire. And that is going to be it for this video. Again, I will have a separate video on accessories that were shipped to me. Again, I want to thank the team at Erin Condren for sending this my way. Be on the lookout for setup videos as well as my haul, where I will be sharing whatever I decide to purchase that day. It's probably going to be both planners, so I'll probably get the agenda system for fun and just the coiled, because I like to make the excuse that it's content for you guys, you know? So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I will have a guide on my blog as per usual to make it easier to navigate all of the launches. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.